There's a seemingly endless list of supplements you can take to keep your body functioning well, and probiotics continue to be one of the busiest ones around. For people who are not a fan of probiotic foods, more and more brands are starting to incorporate these microorganisms in everything from protein bars to bottled water. In case you forgot why people are so crazy about probiotics, they're good bacteria that can help break down food, destroy disease-causing cells, or produce vitamins. But to get all of these benefits, many people wonder whether there is a best time to take probiotics. Here's what experts have to say. When should I take probiotics? The ideal time to take probiotics is right before bed because the gut is pretty inactive at night. If you think about it, you don't usually wake up in the middle of the night to poop, says Patricia Raymond, MD, a gastroenterologi and internal medicine physician and clinical advisor for Gastro Girl. If you ingest a probiotic at night when your bowel isn't moving, there's a better chance that it will hang around, divide, and potentially get integrated into your gut. How often should I take probiotics? The tricky thing about probiotics is that they don't stay in your gut for very long. You poop them out, so in order for them to be effective, you need to take them daily until you feel better, says Tamara Frauman, RD, author of The Bloated Belly Whisperer. Any benefits from a probiotic only happen as it passes through your body, she says. Because of that, taking your probiotics at a certain time can actually make them more effective. How do I know if the probiotics are working? When the predominant symptom you have improves and resolves after taking the probiotics, it's a pretty good bet that you're getting your money's worth. If you are taking it for an inflammatory bowel condition to maintain remission, you might notice not having the symptoms for a while. If you are taking it to prevent the recurrence of a certain infection, you might notice that your infection did not recur as frequently. If you are taking it for ribs, you might notice an improvement in your ribs symptoms, says Dr. Hakim. Should I take my probiotics with other medications? Even if you toss back vitamins or other medication in the morning, you should still take your probiotics at nighttime. With more time in your gut, the good bacteria can get to work healing your digestive issues. And that's exactly what you want if you're investing in a supplement. If you decide to combine your supplement with a probiotic, it should not be a problem since it should not interfere with the digestion of other nutrients, says Dr. Hakim. Are there specific types of food you should avoid when taking probiotics? There is no solid data for food interaction with probiotics, but it has been reported that carbonated drinks, dairy products, processed foods, and red meat might have some effect, he says. So keep those at minimum if you want to make sure you are getting the most out of your probiotics.